How Facebook and Google were going at it, or Facebook and Apple. Today it's Google and Facebook are in trouble now. 9 states have just put out lawsuits against Google because they have been buying WhatsApp messages from Facebook. In 2016, Zuckerberg put out a statement saying that how there is end-to-end encryption, just like your iMessages on your iPhone, and that they can't actually see the messages. However, it looks like they've been selling them to Google so Google can run ads at us. How sweet of them, isn't it? So this claim is going back a couple of years, right? Like at the beginning of the ownership, but this just adds toward all of the bad press that Facebook and all of these online companies continue to get. Remember, they took control over the internet so quickly that the governments and the people don't even really know what's happening even years later. It's hard to put in all this legislation around it, but the wild west of the internet marketing is slowly coming to a close. Eventually, privacy is going to be a really, really hot button issue. Eventually, people are going to get really upset that these phones and computers have been listening to us the whole time, translating everything that we say into a text that goes into a permanent file. Eventually, this is going to become a problem. So what does this mean for us in real estate is this changes the way we're able to use our marketing tools. Like I said, I don't want to get tracked either, but I do like being able to use Facebook's tools so I can get my messages in front of the right audiences. So this is the time where we need to be building a strong audience, a strong database, so we can redirect them just toward email or whatever tool comes next when the doors continue to be shut down. I mean, we all know that Facebook's ad platform is not nearly what it was even 2 years ago. And this is going to get tighter and tighter and tighter as time goes on. Sorry about that. A little bit of a rant there about Facebook, but do you know anybody over 40 years old that actually trusts Mark Zuckerberg and whatever his big plans for world domination are? I surely don't. But if you want some help building your campaigns, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to be doing a class in person at the Celebration office in January. I'm already communicating with some of the managers about coming to your offices, doing them in a safe social distancing way in your offices so we can do it in person. It's a lot easier to do it that way than it is online. Lily and I want to be your go-to mortgage team. So if you're doing business with somebody else, stop settling for less than you deserve. Give us one chance to prove that we are way more than just people who can close your loans. We are true business partners for you. So call me, text me. If you have any leads, we would love to bring one all the way from the beginning to end to show you what we're capable of. We're also hiring. If you know any loan originators that have a pre-existing business, have experience, and you think would be a good fit for Union Home Mortgage, call me or text me. I would love to reach out and start a conversation with them. So if you guys have any questions you want to ask me about mortgages, marketing, anything else, you can always call me, text me. Happy to talk about any scenarios or any other way we can help. Maybe you have a failing deal. Maybe your buyer's shopping rate. We'd love for you to challenge us by letting us shop any rates that your buyer has from now till the end of January. We would love an opportunity at any of that business. All of our videos are backed up on YouTube, so feel free to check those out. Got some old classes there as well. And check us out on Instagram. Talk to you tomorrow.